Today I have a problem with my air condition. It doesn't uh, really get cold, so I'm gonna add Freon first. I have to put this on high, maximum. Then I'm gonna add Freon. I'm gonna put this 134A. I'm gonna put in uh, low pressure. It's right here. High pressure is gonna be this side. Hello, how about? Alright, I already tighten up this bulb right here and put it to the and this end part. And this end part, and this end part is going to this end part is going to the low pressure right here. This is like a 2011 Kia Sorento. So I just trying to put this Freon. Alright, I'm just gonna tighten up this area right here. Push up and down. Right here. So it's tight and it's engaged. Make sure this is not loose. I have to tighten up the screws right here. It's gonna turn clockwise. Then after that, I have to loosen up again so the liquid is coming out from this thing. See that? So you can hear the sound. See. Now I can hear my clutch is turning now, so that means it's receiving a Freon. Clutch somewhere in there. Now I'm checking if it's getting cooler. Now it's getting cooler now. Yeah, it's way better than before. I'm not a professional, but I just do it for myself so I can save some money. But make sure check some YouTube channel to help you more. Now my air conditioner is way better. It's a lot cooler. I just put one can. That's all I know. Don't put too much Freon on it, or it might break your compressor. After I shake it, means it's no more. I don't feel anything inside anymore, so it's empty. I already put the cover, the high pressure and the low pressure. My air conditioner is working good now, so I can feel, I can hear the clutch somewhere in there inside. I saved maybe about $300 just to put one Freon, and if you know how little bit, it's easy work, you know, and you can save a lot of money just to do that.